Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey friends. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday here on the Digital Classroom Podcast. Today's question is, how can I use my teaching skills to make extra money? I know there are a lot of teachers out there who think that they don't have skills that will apply to other industries, and this is so far from the truth. There are so many different teaching skills that will help make you a great virtual assistant. So I want to cover those now. Number one, right off the bat, is the willingness to learn. Teachers are so willing to learn new things that will help their students, that will make their lives easier, their students' lives easier, help their students learn more. We just are always willing to figure out a new method that works really well. And this is a great skill that will transfer into businesses that maybe they have a system that is not working well, and you can help them figure out how to make it better. Okay. The next thing that teachers have amazing skills at is the ability to figure things out. So maybe they've never done something before, but a student needs their help. They are going to do everything they can to figure out what they need to do. Even if they've never done it before, even if they have no experience, they will do it. And so this is another great skill that you can take to your virtual assistant clients. Maybe they need help with a service you've never done before. Maybe you've taught kindergarten your whole life, well, your whole career like I did, and you don't know how to do any of these services, but you can figure it out. And a lot of times businesses love that if you just say, hey, I don't really know how to do that, but I'm so willing to learn. I will figure it out. And is it okay if I maybe ask a couple questions as I learn? Okay. The bright businesses will be okay with that because they know that you're probably going to be able to even figure it out better than they know how to do. Okay. Another great teaching skill that will make you an amazing virtual assistant is customer service skills. We have to keep kids happy. We have to keep parents happy. We have to keep admin happy. It is crazy how many customer service skills we have to use in a day. And so this, again, applies really well to businesses. We have to help their customers have a great experience. So we can use those same skills. The last teaching skill, well, not the last, I'm sure there's a ton more, but the last one I have for this episode is teachers' adaptability. We are able to go with the flow, to transition things when things aren't working the way we want. We can pivot into something else. And again, great skill to have to use with your virtual assistant clients. Okay, so I know that was kind of a fast episode. Let me recap those real quick. Teachers have an amazing willingness to learn. We have the ability to figure things out we've never done before. We have great customer service skills, and we have that adaptability that is so essential. Okay, these skills will make you an amazing virtual assistant. You just have to learn how to look at them in a different frame of mind, because I think we're so used to using these skills in a classroom, we don't see how they can apply elsewhere, but they most certainly do. And I will talk more about this in depth in our free workshop, The Number One Way to Quit Teaching and Start Working from Home as a Virtual Assistant. You can get registered for that anytime over at arianavernier.com/free-workshop. Again, that's arianavernier.com/free-workshop, or you can find the link in my show notes.
So I hope this helped you feel maybe a little bit more confident in pursuing virtual assistants, even if you don't have experience. We are all about done, not perfect over here. You can figure it out. You just have to have the courage to do so. All right. I love y'all so much, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.